Good morning to all of you. Welcome on my YouTube channel Motivation by Abhishek. Dear friends, today I am going to choose a topic, and that topic is very essential for our life, and that topic is how to make communication skill best, effective, strong. There are three words: best, effective, strong. If you make your communication skill best, it will be effective, and when it will be effective, it will have a strength. So these three things depends on your communication skill. Without having a good communication skill, without having effective communication skill, you will lack so many things. For example, self-confidence. If you don't have a good communication skill, you will always in low confidence, and low confidence will create a negative energy in your body. So always you must have a good communication skill. Now I am telling you what are the parameters, what are the steps by which we can improve our communication skill, or we can make our communication skill effective. The first thing is that whatever you say, you will do that. Your saying and your doing will not have any gap. Whatever you say, you have to do. If you say something else, you do something else, it means you are a poor communicator. So always ready. Whatever you say, you must do that. So before saying, you must think what I am going to say, what I am going to tell to others. It means that people will have faith on you. When people will faith on you, you will gain confidence. You will gain a extraordinary, you will do an extraordinary performance in your activities. The second thing is that for communication skill, you never think or you never do only those things which will benefit only you, and for the sake of your own benefit you do so many things. No, you do or you practice those things which are or which have a standard parameter. Suppose that a standard parameter means, suppose that if I don't want to waste my time, and someone wants that I may go with I will go with him, so here I have to clear cut say that no, I can't go with you because I am the person who do not want to waste my time. So clear cut speaking, clear cut message, you have to give a clear cut message, and in that message you will express yourself, your objectives, your thoughts, your expression. Then you will have a good communication skill. The third thing is that for good communication skill, don't say any other statement which you don't know fully. In our society, most of the people use so many facts which they don't know really, or which they don't know clearly, but they speak. This will devaluate your potential. Before speaking, you must know the fact. Before speaking, you must know the topic. Without knowing topic, without knowing facts. If you make any statement, it will create a negative impact on your personality and you will never gain a good confidence. So these are the steps to gain good communication skill. For good communication skill, you must have knowledge about any topic. You must say what you will do in future, and you have to say also no when you don't want to do anything. These are the some specific topics, and we must follow these topics in our life to make good communication skill. Thanks friends. I hope that you will like this video and share your comment, and I will try to come with so many topics which will certainly help your personality, or which will certainly help you in your thinking style, or which will enhance your confidence level also. Thanks.